Only bath soap leaves your bathroom scented for 10 days. This tip today will surely be the solution to the bad odor that is in your bathroom. It is very common, even after doing our needs, part of the waste is glued to the toilet. But with this quick and easy tip, you will clean easily, and will never leave dirt behind. To begin with, I will use a soap. You can use the one you prefer, remembering that it will also help in the aroma in your bathroom, as it will have direct contact with the water we use in the toilet. Next, we will also use a sock, being the item that makes this tip possible. Surely you have already gone somewhere and noticed that the toilet was dirty, and not even rubbing with the brush did not come out easily. With this tip, the water will have constant contact with soap, and when flushing, it will be much more practical to remove any dirt. Just use scissors and make a cut in the sock. Doing this way we will position the soap inside and then just close, and we will have the tip ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Marcia L. Rogers from Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Even my visitors ask me how to keep my bathroom always clean and smelly. The best thing about using this tip is that I can do it all at a very low cost. For use, we need to put straight into the toilet tank. First we will remove the lid, and then use the support part to leave our tip stuck and not sink fully into the water. After placing in the reservoir, even before use, we should leave 5 to 10 minutes to start acting on contact with water. Finally, just flush and scrub the toilet with the brush. Is very practical and cheap, will facilitate in your day-to-day. Using this way, you will always have the toilet clean and keeping the aroma of your bathroom. I hope this tip is useful for you. Tell me later if you got the desired result with the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.